We find ourselves today at Connect Mobile Solutions in Belfast out of Dunmurry. We're just after fitting one of our F770 Thinkware dash cams to Audi Q5. You can see the camera tucked in beside the rear view mirror. That's a view from the outside, very discreet. And we'll just take you onto the inside of the car. That's a camera, as I say, up on there, tucked on to the left of the mirror. Very little cables on show. And we'll just let you see where the back camera is located. Virtually impossible to see. So we'll pop up the boot. And that's our back camera. Again, minimal cables on show. If this is something that you would like, please feel free to contact us at Connect Mobile Solutions, Belfast or Mahara.